Hello and welcome to ATC Toy Review.
My name is Antonio.
And my name is Kathy. So,
And today we are going to do an experiment with water.
Yeah, we're going to do an experiment today. So we're going to have a special video. We're not going to open a toy this time, but we're doing an experiment. So what we need for this experiment is a clear glass bowl so you could see what's happening. You need a candle. What else do you need?
We need food, a little bit of food dye so we can see the water.
Yeah, so we're going to mix the water with a little bit of food dye so we know what's happening, and a glass, like an empty glass. Okay, so first up, what do we need to do?
Pour the water.
Yeah, so put the water inside the bowl. So that's enough water. And then we're going to put the candle inside.
Yeah.
But first we have to mix in the food dye.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're mixing in the food dye so you know what's happening.
So now have a mix.
Yeah, so mix up the food dye. Yeah, so mix the food dye. So you see that the water is now a little bit dark green. So you know that's the water. Now kids, don't try this at home. You always have to have a parent when you're doing this kind of experiment. Let's see, now let us light the candle. Okay, I already have a candle that's already lit here. And we're going to light the candle that's in the middle of the bowl. Right. So now, let's wait until it burns a bit brightly. All right, so now our candle is burning brightly. And now Antonio is going to put a glass over the candle.
Over the candle.
And see what happens. That's pretty cool, isn't it? That's pretty cool.
And then everything out of the water goes inside.
Okay, so let's do a close-up of that. All right, so now we're going to do a close-up of what happened. So that's the lit candle in the middle of a pool of water. And now we're going to put the glass over the candle. That's pretty cool. So the candle, okay, so the candle goes out and the water goes in. How did that happen? Do you know how that happened?
It happened like this. I forgot it.
Actually, you don't know. Well, what happened here is that fire needs air to become fire. Now, when you put the glass over the candle, basically the fire is using up all of the air inside the glass. So since there's no more air inside the glass, that creates a vacuum, like in your vacuum cleaner that sucks up everything. So instead of sucking up dirt, what does it suck up then? What does the vacuum suck up this time?
It sucks up the water.
It sucks up the water, exactly. And that's why the water goes in the glass, because there's no air inside the glass. The air is being used up by the fire. And when there's no more air inside the glass, what happens?
There's no air inside the glass. Then there's no more fire inside the glass.
That's right. If there's no air, there's no fire inside the glass. Okay, and how do we put air back inside the glass?
When we do it like this, we take this and
Exactly. If you take the glass, okay, like if you take the glass out of the bowl, then there's air again in the glass. And that's what happens. So that's our experiment for today. Quite interesting, isn't it? And Okay, kids, as I again said, we are using fire, so please always, always, always do this with an adult. And that's our experiment for today.
Yeah.
Yeah, please subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.
Have a great day.